Good morning, Hong Kong. Welcome back to another episode of Hong Kong Insurance 101. This week, we're going to stay with current events and look at health insurance in light of the developing Wuhan coronavirus outbreak, also known as WARS or Wuhan Atypical Respiratory Syndrome. A quality Hong Kong or international health insurance plan will allow you to be covered against the costs of any treatment you may require in relation to the novel coronavirus at a private healthcare provider across the city. In fact, as the virus may not display any symptoms in a host during the incubation stage, part of what makes it atypical, and current overcrowding being experienced at public hospitals and clinics, a private medical insurance plan can cover the cost with a medical checkup at a private doctor if you think you have been exposed to the disease. It is important to note that a Hong Kong medical insurance policy will only be able to cover routine doctor's checkups and appointments if you have taken a plan which includes an outpatient coverage benefit. Now, this is one of two types of medical treatment, the other being inpatient. An outpatient treatment is normally any medical care you receive where an overnight stay in a hospital is not required. Inpatient treatment, on the other hand, is that where an overnight stay in hospital is required. All health insurance products offered in Hong Kong will have inpatient coverage as their core benefit. So if you have any form of health insurance, you will automatically have this type of protection. Outpatient treatment is normally an elective additional coverage option. So if you wish to use your health insurance policy to receive a checkup for the Wuhan novel coronavirus, you will need to make sure that you have outpatient protection on your plan. As this situation is rapidly developing, it is important to take all necessary precautions to ensure that you are able to stay safe from this virus. Here are our top tips. Wash your hands thoroughly at every opportunity. Coronaviruses of this type can linger on door handles and elevator buttons for long periods of time. Washing your hands or using a strong personal disinfectant at every opportunity is a great start to staying healthy. Avoid touching your face. This is especially important if you have not had a chance to wash your hands, as these viruses can be transmitted through scratching your eyes or mouth. Get into the habit of not touching your face, no matter how badly you may feel an itch. Wear a face mask if you're feeling sick. Now, it's unlikely that a face mask can be foolproof prevention against the virus for healthy people. But if you are feeling sick, maybe you just have a cold, wear a mask to prevent infecting other people. We really cannot stress this enough. And if you do wear a mask, change it regularly and never reuse the same mask. Breathing into a face mask can cause a significant buildup of bacteria and other contaminants, which can make you sick even if it is not the Wuhan virus. So make sure to practice good hygiene with your personal protection equipment. Wear gloves or mittens outdoors. This creates an additional barrier between you and environmental objects which may be contaminated. However, as with face masks, you should always wash your gloves or dispose of them if you are using latex ones after every use. Otherwise, you risk increasing your exposure to the disease. That's us for this week. Please stay safe over the weekend and make sure you see a doctor if you are feeling ill, and call into work if you think you may have been exposed, and stay at home. Do not risk infecting other people. Please remember to like and subscribe, and don't forget to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.